Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Today we are on our way to Liwa 2024 Moreeb Dunes. So before going into the video, subscribe to our channel, like to this video and share it to your friends and family members. So let's continue watching. Guys, on the way to Liwa, we got to cross the Liwa village, and over there are a lot of private farms, which is really beautiful to see. And we have also went to the Al Mazera fort. It is one of the most historical forts of the UAE, and over there they have also put an exhibition named Project U2. You can see a lot of shops and stalls there, kids play area, etc. So we spent our time over there, and let's continue watching and enjoy the visit. So guys, after visiting Al Mazera Fort, we continue our journey towards Liwa 2024, and on the way you can see a lot of sand dunes, and over there it's really beautiful to see. You can take a lot of pictures. There are actually photo spots over there to take pictures of yourself and your family, so it's a great experience on the way to Liwa. So let's continue watching. And everyone, once we reached Liwa, we went directly to the primary spot to witness the drag race over there, and it was a great experience. So let's continue watching and enjoy the race. Once we were done with the drag race, we came away from the mainland looking for a place to put our camping over there. So we did find a place, and we were getting ready and we were setting up our tent for the night. So let's continue watching. So guys, they have put firework at like 8 p.m. So it was actually so beautiful to watch from the desert. So it's a different experience and I loved it. Guys, we started with our BBQ at like around 9 p.m. and it was a great experience there. So we started to put the charcoal, and let's continue watching. So guys, it's actually an amazing experience putting barbecue in an isolated area like the desert, and we actually felt really nice, and it was a great and a different experience that we have ever had. Guys, this is 9 a.m. at Liwa, and the mist, as you can see, has completely covered the opposite side dunes. So it's really cold here. It's below 20 degrees and it's really nice in the morning. Guys, in a nutshell, Liwa 2024 was a great experience for me and my family. We actually enjoyed a lot, and I would recommend each and every one of you to come here and do camping and enjoy your day. So basically now we are going back to Abu Dhabi. On the way to Abu Dhabi, we went to one of the farms here. So there we can see a lot of domestic animals, and I actually enjoyed a lot with my sister, and let's continue watching and enjoy the video. Guys, after going to the farm, we came here to a private camel shelter and we were able to enjoy the camel and we were able to also touch it. So let's continue watching and enjoy the camels here. So guys, with that I would like to conclude the video. So subscribe to our channel, like to this video and share it to your friends and family members. Bye guys, see you later.